Hey y'all, welcome back to Live Free Live Wild. We're going to turn a cheap Walmart tent into a hot tent slash fishing hut. So stay tuned. I also got my buddy Bama Boy, aka Big Nate, trying to talk him into starting a YouTube channel. Where are you at? Right there. There he is. He's gonna be helping me today. We're gonna start setting this up. I'll get back to you. I gotta put you back in my pocket because it's super cold out and you drain the battery when it's cold out. So I gotta put you back in the pocket for now. I'll get you after we get the tent set up. All right, we got the tent up. We're getting ready to cut a hole in for the stove. All right, we're gonna cut the hole in for the stove and let y'all watch me mess up. I'm gonna try to get it right. I only got one shot at this. Let's see. I just gotta make it slightly smaller than this, right? Oof, that's so scary. Work like a wiener. Uh-huh. Now come on. It's gonna blow it off. You know what? We'll just shove the pipe through there. Well, that didn't work, guys. It's too cold. It won't stick. So we're just gonna set up the stove and not worry about a stove jack. If it burns the tent down, it burns the tent down. I was gonna throw it away anyways. It's all molded. It got put away wet. You never want to put it away wet, boys. Alright, so we got our hole cut in up here. I was going to use the stove jack from my other hot tent, but because it's so cold out, it's not sticking. So I'm going to have to take it home and maybe in the garage where it's a little warmer. Probably use the adhesive that comes on the Velcro and probably some shoe goo. It's pretty good stuff. We're gonna get the fire going. We got the stove set up. We're gonna get the fire going, and then I'll get back to you. Then we're gonna start cutting holes for fishing. All right, we got the fire going. So ripping and a roaring here in a minute after we get that stable. we're gonna cut a hole for trying to catch some fish. Got it so hot in there, Big Nate had to shed his sweater off of it. It's getting hot.
I would have never thunk it, but here it is, boys.
On the ice. Warm as hell. There you go. $60 Walmart tent turned into a hot tent for ice fishing. Yeah, buddy.
This ice is about 8 inches thick. Right to have a dump truck on it.
Alright guys, so no fish. We didn't catch any fish, but it's so cold out here I'm about to lose all my battery. So I'm gonna end the video. You can make you a hot tent with a Walmart tent. Just cut you a hole in it. I'm gonna take and fix that hole right there with the stove jack once I get back home, and it'll be a good hot tent for 60 bucks plus your stove. So there you go. Live free, live wild. I'll see you on the next one. The wind picked up. Everything went down in a matter of seconds. It's terrible. It's terrible. Everything had to get moved out. We got stuff running away. It's flying everywhere. What the hell?